Understanding mice infestation, an English language explainer. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, mice infestation. This is a commonly used term, but what does it really mean? Let's find out together. Mice infestation refers to a situation where mice have invaded a space in large numbers. It's not just one or two mice, but rather a large group of them living and multiplying in an area, usually a home or business. This phrase is often associated with unhygienic conditions and can cause various problems. Mice. These are small, furry rodents that are commonly found in many parts of the world. They are known for their quick breeding and can become a nuisance. Infestation. This word signifies the presence of an unusually large number of insects or animals in a place, typically causing damage or disease. A mice infestation is problematic because mice can damage property by chewing through wires, wood, and other materials. Spread diseases as they can carry harmful bacteria and viruses. Cause allergies in some people due to their fur and droppings. To help you understand better, here are a few examples. We called an exterminator to deal with the mice infestation in our basement. The old warehouse has a serious mice infestation issue. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of mice infestation and how it can be used in everyday English. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little details. See you in our next lesson.